Imagine clicking summarize on a web page, but that one click secretly leaks your private emails or passwords. It's a real flaw in new AI browsers called indirect prompt injection, and it can turn your helpful AI assistant into a hacker. Security researchers at Brave uncovered a critical vulnerability in AI powered browsers, showing they all share one dangerous weakness. These browsers can be tricked into executing hidden instructions from web pages without the user knowing. In Brave's demo, an attacker hides malicious instructions inside a Reddit comment. The user clicks Summarize this page inside Comet. The AI reads the visible text, and the hidden text treats both as trusted input and executes everything. The attacker's hidden commands told the browser to open the victim's Perplexity account, extract their email, go to Gmail, where the user was already logged in, read the one time password, and post both back to the attacker. All of this happened because the AI couldn't separate user intent from page content. The core issue is context confusion. The AI simply mixes your trusted commands with untrusted content from the internet. Let's take another example where a prompt injection takes place via screenshots in Perplexity Comet. Comet allows users to take screenshots and ask questions about images. This opens another attack path. Here's how screenshot based injection works. The attacker hides instructions inside an image using faint, low contrast text, for example, light blue text on a yellow background. The user captures a screenshot of the page and sends it to Comet. Comet extracts the text from the image likely using OCR and passes it directly to the LLM. The system does not differentiate between user provided instructions and extracted image text. The hidden commands tell the AI to use its browser tools maliciously, acting with the user's locked in privileges. So, what can you do to mitigate this? The best defense is caution. Treat your AI like an unpredictable intern. Don't use AI summarization on any sensitive pages like your email, your bank, or company documents. Be skeptical of links from strangers even if the main URL looks legitimate. Do you use any AI browsers? Let me know in the comments.